Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step process to fix the KB5044284 Update Error on Windows 11 if you're encountering the error code 0x800736b3. When trying to install this update, you're in the right place. Follow along to resolve it. Step 1. Use Windows Settings Recovery. Go to Windows Settings by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. Navigate to Windows Update. Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Here, you'll see an option to fix problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now to start the process. This will reinstall the current version of Windows, keeping your files, apps, and settings intact. Once done, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Start the app Readiness service. Press Windows +S to bring up the search bar and type Services. Scroll down and double-click App Readiness. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start and hit OK. Try updating your Windows again. Step 3. Move the WinReagent folder open File Explorer and go to this PC, C drive. If you don't see the WinReagent folder, enable Hidden Items by clicking View, Show, Hidden Items. Create a backup of the folder by copying it to your desktop. Delete the original WinReagent folder. Attempt the update again through Windows Update. Step 4. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings and go to System, Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update and click Run. After the troubleshooter finishes, restart your computer and check for updates. Step 5. Restart Windows Update and BITS Services. Open the Services app by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Scroll down to find Windows Update and double-click it. Set it to Automatic, click Apply, and then Start. Repeat the same process for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Try updating your system again. Step 6. Use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft's official website. Link in the video description. Run the downloaded file and follow the prompts to install any pending updates. Restart your PC after the update completes. Step 7. Install Update KB5044284. Manually visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Link provided in the video description. Search for KB5044284 and select the correct version for your system, e.g. x64-based system. Download and install the update manually. Step 8. Reset Windows Update components. Open Notepad and copy the reset commands provided in the video description. Save the file as wureset.bat and select all files under the Save as Type dropdown. Right-click the file and select Run as administrator. After the process completes, restart your computer and try updating again. Step 9. Use the Media Creation tool. Download the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. Link in the description. Select ISO file and save it to your desktop. Open the ISO file, run setup.exe, and follow the prompts to reinstall Windows 11 while keeping your files. If one of these steps helped you fix the issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Error Genie for more easy-to-follow tech solutions. Thanks for watching.